Well, Sammy, you have to learn how to kick. Have to learn how to kick, Sammy. Like Eric, you kick. See? See, look at Eric. Well, Daddy's pushing him now.
I wanna go again.
Bobby will be tired.
Okay. We'll go to them and then we'll turn back.
Good job, Eric. Good job, Eric. You like that? You hurt your thumb?
When I fell down.
You fell down? Well, that's why next time we'll put our helmet on, okay?
Mom, can you
We
get
got
the helmets for me, please?
We do have a helmet, babe.